All right, hoping for a sputter at least. This is my ignition jumper right here. Get in your home. It's like E.T. Phone home. I can pull that out right here. I just got it sitting on the battery. Just want to get at least a sputter. Gave it a little bit of brake clean. I'm trying to prime it. I've been cranking it for a while trying to get fuel. And we ain't priming, so little brake clean trick. I might actually get something. All right. Ghetto Fabulous. Sputter. All right. Spidey and I ready to break her in, huh?
She's out of gear? Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, we would have known that.
Yeah, I would have already rolled down the hill and hit my truck. Ready?
Yeah. Sounds like something vacuumed somewhere.
Yeah.
It's not pulling.
Yeah, we gotta get. We got any vacuum
it does.
caps?
It sounds like a
Spyder?
I believe so. Yeah.
Because if I could just plug these off, we'd be good. Because we don't need them right now.
Well, it sounds like it's trying to pull.
Yeah, it's sucking too much air in.
Pulling too much air.
But we're right there.
Not getting enough fuel.
All right. Fire in the hole, Spyder?
Yes. Fire in the slot.
Yeah, baby.
More power this time. There was more power on it this time.
Yeah. I just gotta get some RPM out of it.
Yeah, that's what's gonna, before that cam can start pumping, I think that's what's going on. It doesn't have enough yet. We're getting there. That smoke is just fuel, oil and stuff.
Yeah.
I hope. We're getting there.
Here, hold on one second.
Oh, did you want to cap this?
Yeah, do you know where the cap is?
I think I know where a cap is.
Yeah, I need the cap.
If it's anywhere around.
Rolling, baby. You good?
Mm-hmm. It's funny, I have to go. It's alive! Spyder's happy! Yeah! Woo! Running pretty good! Yeah,
why we got this little bumper here.
That's cool.
Good, Spyder. Minutes in and we're looking good. Got a little fuel leak up here, but it'll be all right. It's a small fuel leak, but it's okay for now. Got the fan there. Hell yeah. Temp gauge looking good. We're full of fuel. We're less than halfway on the temp gauge. I turned the key on.
That's about standard.
That's where we're at. And we're cranking about 1,800, 1,900 RPM too, breaking in that cam.
At least 15 minutes now.
Yeah, we've been running about 8 minutes.
In idle.
Breaking in the cam on the Caddy finally.